Hello everyone, I'm here with you with the mechanic handouts for physics optional UPSC CSE exam. So in this video, I will basically provide an overview of the handouts. What are the topics I have covered in this handout? So basically I have divided the mechanics handouts in 4 parts. As you can see, mechanics of particles, mechanics of rigid bodies, mechanics of continuous media and the special relativity. So let's see part by part. Firstly, we will start with mechanics of particles. First we will start with basics, then rotating frames, centripetal and Coriolis acceleration, and this is a derivation, then motion under a central force, and this equation of a path, and then eccentricity relation with energy and cases under central force and the Kepler's law. Then we will cover gravitation, Gauss theorem for gravitation and the gravitational self-energy and the Poisson's equation and the two-body problem and the Rutherford scattering. This all we will cover in part 1, mechanics of particles. Let's see second part. So second part deals with mechanics of rigid bodies. So in this we will cover center of mass, some previous year questions, and then rigid bodies, degrees of freedom, and the angular momentum of a rigid body, the moments and the products of inertia, one of the previous year question, to understand the concepts well, and then elastic and inelastic collisions, and then coefficient of restitution. So then we will see the theorems, perpendicular axis theorem, parallel axis theorem, and the equations of motion for translation and rotational, and this molecular rotations, MOI of diatomic molecules, and then gyroscope. So these are the topics we will cover in the part 2 of the mechanics handout. Now let's get to the third part, mechanics of the continuous media. In this we will cover Hooke's law and modulus of velocity, and the stress strain curve, Young's modulus, bulk modulus, and modulus of rigidity, Poisson's ratio, and the relation between the elastic constants and the twisting couple on solid cylinder, derivation part, Poiseuille's equation, and then we will see the capillaries in series and parallel, and then equation of continuity, Bernoulli's equation, the Stokes law, what is terminal velocity, Reynolds number, and then what is the critical velocity. We will see all these topics in this part. So let's move to the next and the last part. So the last part deals with special relativity. In this we will cover the postulates and then Michelson-Morley experiment, and this is the whole derivation, Lorentz transformation, and then length contraction, time dilation, addition of relativistic velocities, relativistic Doppler's effect, mass energy equation, and then simple applications to a decay process, and then 4-dimensional momentum vector, and this is the equation we will derive. So these are the topics we will cover in the special relativity part. This is the overview for the mechanics handouts. So these are available and you can buy these handouts by clicking on the link given in the description box. So do buy it and pace up your preparations.